Of late, my mind has been restless. I have been contemplating leaving my family and going to someplace quiet. These thoughts make me uneasy and hate myself for thinking like this. Is there any possibilities to control my thoughts and action?
Okay, firstly, let's understand why are these thoughts coming. They are a result of two things. One is the person that you are right now, and the second is the circumstances that you face in your life at the moment. The person you are is formed of both your innate makeup, that is your genetics, as well as the experiences that you've had thus far in your life. That is what makes up you, the person as you know yourself. And this can change over time with more experiences, but it's always governed by the totality of the potential that you were born with. And then there are the circumstances. And these circumstances, as they change, they will result in a change in the thoughts that you have as well. Now, trying to change only the thoughts without trying to understand your mental makeup and the circumstances that you're currently faced with is only going to result in some kind of temporary fix. And that is why many attempts to change thoughts often fail. So, what can be done about this? I want to look at your question in two parts. Firstly, is it wrong to have such thoughts? I know you feel like hating yourself, etc., but that is because of the conditioning that you have, that having such thoughts is selfish, bad, etc., etc. I can tell you that in the right circumstances, those same thoughts will be extolled to high heavens by the same world that you inhabit. Having established that there is nothing wrong per se with your thoughts, let us look at, suppose you want to modify those thoughts, what are the best ways to do that? So there are two holistic ways in which this can be done. One is, you could go to a counselor who helps you go deep into your subconscious and unconscious minds, understand the triggers that make you work in this particular manner, and help you reprogram your memory, so to say. I'm just using that terminology. Alternately, you can look at your circumstances and see what is it in your circumstances that actually makes you think this way. And in case you believe that those aspects of your circumstances need to and can be changed, go ahead and do that. In both cases, there will be a natural mechanism by which these thoughts will stop. They will stop occurring in your mind. And that is the holistic way in which they can be influenced. Control of thoughts is something that I would never recommend, because control of thoughts is in most cases equivalent to suppression of thoughts, and that will only lead to more trouble later.